I'm Elise Neel. I'm the Senior Vice President of New Business Incubation at Verizon. It's a really interesting time in manufacturing. Some of the trends that we're seeing are really major customer pain points that are happening today across the industry. Problems like labor shortages and challenges with inflation. We also see lack of data transparency and interoperability throughout the end-to-end process. And each of these components in their own right are challenging in and of themselves, but it's actually the combination of each of these challenges that creates this opportunity for transformation that we're really excited about. When we think about Verizon's response to the trends and problem statements happening for customers today, we have a three-pronged solution that we deploy. The first is thinking about private and dedicated networks. As we think about those network solutions, we take our blazing fast 5G network, matched with all of the other unique components that are provided through 4G LTE, our network as a service models, our Wi-Fi and other components to bring together and bring to bear for customers the right connectivity solution to meet their needs. The second component provides the low latency that's required for much of these applications to really take shape and to respond to those customer needs. And that's being done through our mobile edge compute network. This mobile edge compute capacity can happen with public or with private instances, and again, provides all of that low latency to deliver just-in-time responses. But the third component is the glue that binds it all together, which is intelligent software. So whether those are our aerial or robotic solutions on the ground, whether that's our digital twin and simulation capabilities, we're working with customers to help reduce the impact of inflation, to provide labor automation, and to help seamlessly interact and to connect all of this data together so that they get better insights with more prediction and better intelligence to create faster time to return on investment.